Hey everyone, Nicole and Alyssa here. Obviously, we are socially distancing and not in the same format as our other Blondes Breaking Down Real Estate videos. Wanted to respect the quarantine guidelines and make this video from the privacy of our own homes. But we really wanted to get on a video and update everybody with the latest on the coronavirus in respect to real estate. Not only its effects on the housing market here in San Diego, but also on the most recent legislation that's affecting homeowners and renters. So today we wanted to focus on mortgage forbearance and what that means for homeowners. So Alyssa, will you tell everybody what's going on?
Yes. So they've put together obviously the government relief package. They're calling it the CARES package. And in that it states that mortgage forbearance, borrowers of government-backed mortgages, which is Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, HUD, VA, and USDA, can request up to 360-day payment forbearance without proof of hardship. No additional fees, interest, or penalties can be assessed for the actions or for the forbearance, except for abandoned or vacant properties. There may be no foreclosure actions for 60 days from 3/18/2020. So few questions come up on that. So number one is, how do you know if you're in a government-backed loan? Well, if you're VA or FHA, you probably know that already. Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, there's a website that you can go and check it out, or you can just call your mortgage servicing company. How about what is forbearance, Nicole? Do you want to tell us about that?
Yeah, so forbearance is not a forgiveness, guys. A forbearance is a temporary suspension of your monthly mortgage payment. So during the forbearance period, your payments are going to be suspended for a set period of time. However, if you're able to make partial payments, you should. It will reduce the amount due at the end of the forbearance period. Alyssa, did you do that?
Yeah, so I checked on my loan just because I wanted to be able to inform everybody. And everybody has, so the person who gives you your mortgage typically is not the servicer, because they're going to sell it to a different servicer. So you need to figure out who your servicer is. It's going to say it on your mortgage statement, and look them up or call them. Mine had a little thing on the website that basically explained what you can do. And if I were to request a forbearance, they would give it to me. Basically, they have to legally, but I would have, I put it on airplane mode, but it
Oh my
still
God. That's
interrupted
okay.
it.
What did you just say? Repeat.
Sorry. Basically, they would still call it all due as soon as the forbearance is over. So if I were to skip one whole year of payments, then
You
it
have
would
to
take
pay it
my
all.
mortgage, yeah, times 12, and that would all be due all at the same time, and I would never be able to handle that. I've talked to other friends where it's actually going to be due at the end of the loan, which if
Okay.
that was the case, I would take it, because
Yeah.
money now is worth more than money later.
So just an
So
extension.
yeah, it basically extends how many payments you're going to end up paying. So
Cool. Well, it's also really, so just based off of, your personal experience and what they're saying now, it's really important to have a conversation with your mortgage servicer and figure out what those expectations are,
yeah,
whether
and
you're going to
expect to be on
be
hold,
fully informed.
because a lot of people are calling this in right now. So I would go to the website first,
Okay.
try to see if you can find info there before you call, because you're going to be on hold for a very long time.
We love that. Well, we've got plenty of time right now anyways.
Mhm.
What about landlords? Can landlords get
Yeah,
any?
so that's our next point. So owners of multifamily properties who were current on their mortgage payments as of February 1st, 2020, and have federally insured, assisted, or supplemented loans, again, that Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, FHA, or any loans backed or assisted by any branch of the federal government, including the LIHTC, may request forbearance for 30 days due to financial hardship, with extensions of up to 90 days. Borrowers receiving the forbearance may not evict or charge late fees to tenants for the duration of that forbearance period.
Okay. So when we're looking at this as a whole, I'd say the first step, contact your mortgage servicer after going online and finding whatever information you can. Come up
Absolutely.
with a plan, make sure you have everything in writing. The two biggest things we really want you guys to take from this video is, one, this is not free money. Okay, you have
Yeah.
to pay this back at some point in some way, and you need to have a plan. Do not just stop making your payments. That's not good.
Right. They need to be aware that you're taking this forbearance. You can't just take it without them knowing.
Exactly. So hope you guys learned something. If you have any questions, please send us a message on any of the platforms that this video is going to be posted on, or send us an email, give us a call. We will be posting a video here soon on everything going on with renters and eviction. And
yeah, that'll be the next point. And we're going to go through this entire CARES Bill Act and break down anything that has real estate involved in it and share it with you guys. And also we'll put the link to find out if your loan is government backed in the notes.
Sweet.
Awesome. All right. Have a great day.
Stay safe.
Stay inside. Bye.